Kendall Florida window contractors are your go-to experts for all your window needs, offering top-notch window replacement services and slider window installation in Kendall, Florida. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows Kendall, Florida or custom slider windows Kendall, Florida, our team of Kendall window specialists is here to help. We provide comprehensive window maintenance services in Kendall, Florida, ensuring your windows, including slider windows Kendall, remain in pristine condition year-round. For those seeking window frame installation Kendall, Florida, our Kendall window experts deliver exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail. Our window sealing services in Kendall, Florida are designed to enhance your home's energy efficiency, while our Kendall, Florida window upgrades, including slider windows Kendall, offer the latest in window technology. Trust our Kendall, Florida window installation services for all your residential window services Kendall, Florida and commercial window solutions Kendall, Florida. Our sliding glass doors installation Kendall, Florida is perfect for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces with modern, stylish solutions. We also specialize in window screen replacement Kendall, Florida and window hardware installation Kendall, Florida, ensuring every aspect of your windows, including slider windows Kendall, is functioning optimally. Our Kendall, Florida window cleaning services keep your windows sparkling, while our window tinting services in Kendall, Florida provide privacy and UV protection. Kendall glass installation services are available for those unexpected accidents, and our window insulation services Kendall, Florida help maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Our Kendall, Florida window consultation services offer personalized advice and solutions tailored to your specific needs. With window design services in Kendall, Florida, including custom slider windows Kendall, we bring your vision to life, creating beautiful, functional windows that complement your home. Window maintenance Kendall is crucial for prolonging the life of your windows, and our Kendall window cleaning services ensure they remain clear and bright. Our window glazing services in Kendall, Florida provide an extra layer of protection and insulation, while our window fitting services in Kendall, Florida guarantee a perfect fit every time. Trust our Kendall window contractors for all your window needs, from slider windows Kendall installation to window sealing and beyond. For those in need of Kendall window installation, our team is equipped to handle any issue, big or small. Our window replacement in Kendall, Florida is ideal for upgrading outdated windows, and our Kendall, Florida window experts are always ready to assist with any project. Whether you're interested in window design Kendall or need window hardware installation Kendall, Florida, including slider windows Kendall, we have the skills and experience to deliver exceptional results. Our residential window services Kendall, Florida cater to homeowners looking to improve their property's aesthetics and functionality. Meanwhile, our commercial window solutions Kendall, Florida are perfect for businesses seeking durable, high-performance windows. With Kendall, Florida window specialists on your side, you can rest assured that your windows, including slider windows Kendall, are in capable hands. Window tinting Kendall offers numerous benefits, including reduced glare and increased energy efficiency. Our window insulation services Kendall, Florida further enhance your home's comfort and energy savings. For those interested in custom slider windows Kendall, Florida, our team provides expert installation and design services to meet your unique needs. Kendall Florida window contractors offer top-notch window replacement services, ensuring your home or business benefits from the latest in energy-efficient windows. Our Kendall window experts specialize in custom slider windows, providing tailored solutions for both residential window services and commercial window solutions in Kendall, Florida. Whether you need window frame installation or window sealing services, our team is equipped to handle all your window maintenance needs in Kendall, Florida, including slider windows. Kendall. For those seeking slider window installation in Kendall, Florida, our Kendall window specialists are the go-to professionals. We provide comprehensive window consultation services, helping you choose the best window design Kendall has to offer, including slider windows. Kendall. Our window fitting services in Kendall, Florida ensure a perfect installation every time, enhancing both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your property. Kendall, Florida window installation services are essential for maintaining the integrity of your windows. From window hardware installation to window screen replacement, Kendall, Florida, our team covers all aspects of window maintenance. We also offer Kendall, Florida glass installation services and window glazing services to keep your windows, including slider windows. Kendall, in pristine condition. Trust our Kendall window cleaning services to keep your windows sparkling and clear. Sliding glass doors installation. Kendall, Florida is another specialty of ours, providing seamless integration with your existing architecture. Our window tinting services in Kendall, Florida offer privacy and UV protection, while our window insulation services Kendall, Florida enhance energy efficiency. For those in need of Kendall window upgrades, including slider windows, Kendall, our experts provide innovative solutions to improve your property's value and comfort. Window maintenance. Kendall is crucial for long-term performance, and our Kendall, Florida window specialists are dedicated to providing exceptional service. From window design services in Kendall, Florida to window fitting services, we ensure every detail is perfect, including for your slider windows. Kendall. Our Kendall window consultation services guide you through the process, ensuring you make informed decisions about your window needs. Kendall window installation and window replacement in Kendall, Florida are vital for maintaining your property's appearance and functionality. Our Kendall, Florida window contractors are experienced in all aspects of window care, from window frame installation Kendall, Florida to window sealing services in Kendall, Florida. Trust our team for all your window needs, including Kendall, Florida window cleaning services and window hardware installation Kendall, Florida, as well as slider windows. Kendall. Energy-efficient windows. Kendall, Florida are a smart investment, reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort. Our Kendall window experts provide comprehensive window maintenance services in Kendall, Florida, ensuring your windows, including slider windows. Kendall, perform optimally. Whether you need window screen replacement Kendall, Florida or Kendall, Florida window glazing services, our team is here to help. Kendall window specialists are your trusted partners for all window-related needs. From window tinting services in Kendall, Florida to window insulation services Kendall, Florida, we offer a wide range of solutions to meet your specific requirements, including for slider windows. Kendall. Our Kendall, Florida window consultation services provide expert guidance, ensuring you choose the best options for your property. Custom slider windows Kendall Florida are a popular choice for homeowners seeking style and functionality. Our Kendall window contractors offer expert installation and maintenance services for slider windows Kendall, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Whether you need residential window services Kendall Florida or commercial window solutions Kendall Florida, our team is ready to assist with your slider windows Kendall needs.